morning, it's time to rise and shine.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, I hope you're feeling fine. The sun is just above the hill, another day for us to fill with all the things we love to do. Oh, can't you hear? It's calling you, doodle-doo, doodle-doo, doodle-doo.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, it's time to rise and shine.
I am glad I'm not a dog because they menstruate, female dog, menstruate for they can menstruate for 26 weeks. Smaller dogs will menstruate 3 times a year, whereas larger dogs can be known to menstruate once a year to 18 months. 1 year to 18 months. Not every year, every once a year or 18 months. Okay, so why am I telling you this? Because I was curious and I looked it up and that's what I found. And JJ, come on, dogs, why do they eat cat poop? Stop doing that. Stop it. I decided to share the knowledge that I learned today in case you needed to know. If you didn't need to know, now you know. For fun facts. I think I'll find other fun facts throughout the day. It's the 3rd of July today. Tomorrow is America's Independence Day, which is basically, what was it? The people celebrating independence from Britain or something like that. Honestly, I don't know what America's Independence Day is for. I know, it's probably something I need to know for like history reasons, but I feel like it's not really the meaning of what it is now isn't what it used to be. Like many things change their meaning, right? Many things, words change meaning a lot, like practically all the time. And phrases, other words, oh shoot, son of a gun, etc. Like son of a gun. Was that back in the day? Just a way to not swear, you know. Oh, what time is it? I don't know. Probably 6 o'clock or something. Just need to stretch my back out. So I'm gonna stretch my back and then I'm gonna go back to bed and I'll see you later. We're gonna make a poke cake. Okay. Let's fuzz. I'm just trying to do my stretches, animals. Doing my stretching, or I was. This one just comes right here. My legs are not as far apart as I can get them, just FYI. I don't know why I needed to tell you that, but I'm just letting you know. I'm more flexible than I look. What is the deal? Kitty meow meow. You kitty meow meow. She wants to lay in the sun. I'm not in the way, kitty. I'm stretching, okay? Against the wall this time. I should get those physical therapy appointments. I know they were gonna see. Here's the thing, though. I said right knee, and they're talking about left shoulder. And I'm like, no, not even the right area. So he made a referral or whatever to do this. They're like, left shoulder. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna go unless the referral is fixed, you know. I do need to call them and ask if it's been fixed. Like, how did they get the right shoulder? The left shoulder. I have no shoulder problems. I'm like, well, my husband does, but that's not me. Right? Right. It's not me. Okay. 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 Alright, so I re-wetted, dampened my hair. It wasn't completely dry, but I re-wetted spots because it's getting frizzy. And I didn't want it to be frizzy tonight, so I re-wet so that I can put in the ORS serum stuff. Yes, I'm out of breath because I just came up the stairs. You know how I am a big fan of stairs. Okay. So I just want to put this in. So I asked Russ while I went to lunch with Barbie. I asked Russ to make the cake. He did not make the cake. He was actually just getting up when I came home. I was only gone for like maybe an hour and a half, something like that. So within that time frame, he did not get up. I talked to Barbie on my lunch and stuff, while we were at lunch, you know, about my mom. She talked about her mom, their current boyfriend relationships. And I'm like, oh, it's very similarities. Lots of similarities happening and whatnot. I have to see if I have a shirt that I want to wear, if I still have it. I don't know if I still have it or if I got rid of it, because it was like, you know, a number of years old or whatever, and sometimes you need to revamp your wardrobe. Let's see, do I have that shirt anymore? Looks like I do not have that shirt. Nope. Okay, that's fine. I'll wear this one. It's blue. I'll put on my red tank top underneath. So it's red, blue, and the white are my shoes. So red, white, and blue. You know, being patriotic and whatever. Not really being patriotic. It's what I want to wear, okay? It's red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue. Alright, so anyway, I got my hair serum in, so my hair won't be as frizzy when being out and about today. So, now I'm going to go downstairs and start making that jello, so that when my cake comes out, my jello is ready to be, so I can poke the holes in the cake, put the jello in, I can put the cake in the fridge until 3:30. And then we gotta leave. Yeah, and then I'm gonna take out and do other stuff. So okay, okay, bye. So an interesting fact about myself, and I'm not really sure why this never happened, but
In the 39 years I've been on this earth, let's say people start to learn how to make stuff for themselves, probably around the age of 10. So we'll say 29 years of me being alive, I have never made jello. Why is that? Why have I never made jello? I mean, I've had jello naturally, but I never made jello myself. Strange. So I have my poke cake. So you make your cake, then you poke it, and we make your jello, and you pour it on the cake. Looks like that. Okay, so set it in. Sorry, fear of holes warning. I didn't warn you ahead of time, my bad. Anyway, set it in the fridge until set. I'm not sure how long that is, but I've got an hour and a half before I need to like put stuff on. It's 3 o'clock right now. Well, it's 2:59. We'll just say 3 o'clock. So in an hour and a half, because we're gonna leave. Whoa, in an hour, not an hour. 45 minutes. Damn it. Okay, in 45 minutes, it'll have to be set enough, and I'll put on the Cool Whip. I need to take the Cool Whip out. Freezer. Out. So we'll put the Cool Whip, sprinkles. So what I'm gonna do with the Cool Whip, I'll put the Cool Whip on, spread it out. I got some blue food dye. I'll put some blue food dye in it and just swirl it around on the top, and then sprinkles. I'll be I have patriotic sprinkles. You want to see? Look at that. It has like regular sprinkles, and it has a star-shaped sprinkles. See, I could do just the star shape, or I could do just the sprinkles, or I could do a combination of both. Which I'm sure I'll do both. Anyway, that's what I have. So, in 45 minutes, which I'm sure is not enough time to get it to set, but at least it'll be soaked in the cake instead of, I'm not sure. Well, I just hope it's not, I hope it's set enough. Okay. Yeah. This is my hair drying system. I'll just sit here for the next half an hour. My hair will not be dry, but it'll be mostly dry, and then half an hour we'll go downstairs, finish the cake. Yeah, it's supposed to set up in like 2 to 3 hours is when jello usually sets. I think it might take less than that because it's in a cake, but we'll see. So when we get to the place, I'll be like, oh, we gotta put this in the fridge or whatever. So hopefully they'll have room. Yeah, so and then I have another shirt that I'll change into. So I'll be wearing red, white, and blue, you know, patriotic, whatever. Hey, how's it going? It's the 4th of July. Doesn't really have the same meaning that it used to. Alexa, what is the 4th of July?
July 4th is a national holiday celebrated in the USA to commemorate the signing of the Declaration of Independence.
Alexa, what is the Declaration of Independence?
According to Wikipedia, the United States Declaration of Independence is an important document in the history of the United States of America. It was ratified on July 4th, 1776. It says that the Americans were no longer under British rule. Instead, the 13 British colonies came together to become a union of new, free, and independent states.
Okay, so that's exactly what I thought it was. It's basically the Declaration of Independence. The signing of the 4th of July is the signing of the Declaration of Independence to celebrate the freedom from Great Britain or something. So that's what the 4th of July means. It doesn't mean anything else. I'm sure other people are like, 4th of July is my freedom. Oh, free, freedom, etc. And I'm just like, no, we're not free. We're not. Not free. Blue. Here's my pulp cake. There. I was going to use a temporary thing, but I didn't have time. So you can see down there, the cake and the layer, nice thick layer of Cool Whip. I put, excuse me, blue food coloring on top and smeared that around to make it blue. And then the sprinkles, of course. So there you go. Take a quick picture of it. There we go. There we go. And it is 3:54. So we need to be heading out the door. So you can see I licked the spoon. So I am a little blue. Blue, da ba dee ba doo ba. Okay, bye. Okay, so here's my shirt. It's got this kind of covers. It's flowy and shorts and shoes. I'm patriotic enough. I have a bag of fans and glow things so we can keep ourselves relatively cool or whatever. Yeah, those are the things I brought camping that nobody took or left behind or whatever. So anyways, Russ is on the toilet. I don't know if we need them. Do we have them still in the truck? We might as well. Just put them in Prius. Yeah. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, we're gonna go to wherever we're going. Okay, bye. Talking about fireworks. You want to see how many fireworks we got? Check this table out. Look at this setup.
Shoot flaming balls.
Like
4 of
400.
us pitched in.
Whoops, sorry.
My goodness.
4 of it pitched in.
Did
We
you,
will
did you
have
guys go out of state?
Ohio.
Ohio. He shipped them up here.
Oh, nice
We
guy.
had a big truck come in my driveway.
Look at this.
8-wheeler.
Look, sword.
On the side of the road. And pull it off in my front yard.
They come on a pallet?
Yes.
Nice.
Look at this fireworks. Military tribute. That's important.
So he will be needing help.
So we're doing it to music, right?
I feel like I can help that.
Just kidding.
I brought a lighter.
Hey, how you doing? How's it going, Elijah? Elijah. Elijah. You want to see yourself? Who's that? Who's that? Is that you? Who is that? You see yourself? Probably. You're even looking at yourself. Hi, baby. I don't even think he... Oh my gosh! What's that? Why you look like you got a stuffy nose or something? Who is that? She lose her watermelon?
Yeah. She ate it all, actually.
Oh, wow.
No more?
Yes, Grandpa, thank you. Fruit. Hello, baby. I got your picture. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hey. Hey, baby. Hello, baby. I don't even know if he likes it. Just like, stop, okay? You're annoying me. Yeah, okay. Not even dark. We're starting already. But you know, you got like 400. 1,400, I'm sorry. 1,400 fireworks. Left. That's a lot of fireworks, man. Lady, woman, person. colorful. Woo. I don't know what's happening. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Nothing's happening. Everyone's just doing nothing. I gotta pee. They're not safe firework practices. You know what this reminds me of? Have you seen the Harry Potter movies, Anna? Okay, you know when they're shooting in the last one with Voldemort's crew, they're shooting at the when they make the dome over Hogwarts. That's what this reminds me of. Yeah.
What?
Panda fairy? They got a panda one?
Angry panda. So it'll eventually spark like a firework does.
I don't think I did it. Not doing it right.
Go help her.
Oh,
Oh, it's lit.
There it goes.
that was pretty Got some kickback.
Yeah.
Nothing compared to these ones. The big ones are the.
You got big kickback.
Oh, that one's gonna be big. Oh.
I don't think I got that.
Awesome, thanks.
I got yours, and I
Thank
got
you.
that.
Run away!
Glad there's only one. I flipped it over. It was pointed straight at everyone.
Run away! That's all. Hey, little spinner doodads. Hopefully they don't set anything on fire. Woo! So. Woo-hoo. Woo! Woo, big bang.
Halftime.
After this one, clean it up a little.
We don't want a fire.
A little bit. They're starting to blow theirs off.
Oh.
Burn some of theirs. Let them burn some of theirs, right?
Pretty color.
gonna set your lawn on fire.
But wait, there's more.
Definitely not wet grass.
I like that one. Looks like a volcano.
Yeah.
Okay, girl. Still going. It's all done. Nope, just kidding. Still going. Still going.
Yeah.
They could have changed the colors.
Hey, what do you mean? I don't know.
Nope, still going.
Yeah, right? Can you shake a little bit at the end?
I know. No, oh nope, still going.
Still going.
Not done yet.
That's like a peach.
It was really long. Okay, now it's done. Yay! So it's not as exciting as the crackly one.
I think the one that turned color, that was cool.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah. There you go. Can't tell, but there's blue and red in there. Yeah.
Wow.
Woo! Ah! Oh!
Sparkling to the ground. Oh, there it goes.
Ooh! Blurry, why are you blurry? Stop being blurry. Yay! It's sparkler time. There's a big fire back there. Oh, I see.
Alright, party's over.
They're not going, oh, they are going higher.
the chair split away?
Yeah, I'm ready to do that too.
Okay. Miss Purdy wants me to follow her. What? What is it? Yes, kitty. I'm coming up. I'm coming. Fluffy tail. Yes. Meow. Let's see, you have... Oh, jeez. Meow. Right? Is this what you want? Bless you. Treats? That's what you want? Okay. Is this really what you want? Here's a little one. That's it. That's all you get right now. Alright? Yeah. There you go. Right. I'm home now. I'm home. We've got some cool air coming in. It smells like a campfire or something. Oh. We saw the fireworks. Well, what we saw were backyard fireworks. Some big fireworks that they got from Ohio, shipped to their house and stuff. So that's cool. Hooray, you know. Russell's gonna go out to the Crucible. I am having womanly problems, so I'm gonna stay home and have those womanly problems. Oh, yes. I said, well, if you want to get me some chocolates, that would be great. He's like, oh, it's like 10:30. I'm like, yeah, gas stations have chocolate. You know. That was the fireworks. Big boom, bang. The fireworks that they were lighting off in the backyard, we were getting hit. They were like going off right above, directly above us. So the debris would fall down and we'd get hit on the... Good thing I had glasses, because I know one piece like went boink, like on my cheek or whatever, and yeah, it would have gotten my eye. I don't know, but I got hit by debris. There were a few bats flying around, so that was fun times. I met my I met my grandson, my step grandson. I don't know, whatever. I met my grandson tonight. I didn't hold him, but I met him. And, yeah, so that's good. Finally met my grandson. Year and a half later. And, oh, he's not quite, no, wait. Not quite a year. Not quite a year. He'll be a year in August. Oh, I hate being a woman during this time of month. But that's all I've got to share with you tonight. Tomorrow is the 4th of July, so enjoy your 4th of July. And be safe out there. No dangerous backyard fireworks. And have yourself a good night, and I'll see you Monday. Toodles.